Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a topic which is known as bipolar junction transistor. Okay, it means BJT. Next is the introduction of BJT. The basic of electronic system nowadays is semiconductor device. The famous and commonly used of this device is BJT, like bipolar junction transistor. It can be used as amplifier and logic switches. Okay, BJT consists of three terminals: collector, base, and emitter. Okay, two types of BJT is PNP and NPN transistor. Okay, next is the position of the sorry. Next is the transistor construction. Okay, three layer of semiconductor device consisting 2n and 1p type layer of material. Okay, means 1p type of material is sandwiched with 2n type of material. It's called as NPN transistor, and similar second is the 2p type of layers and 1n type of layer. Okay, means 1n type of material is sandwiched with 2p type of materials is called as PNP transistor. The term bipolar reflects the fact that holes and electrons participate in the injection process into the oppositely polarized material. A single PN junction has two different types of bias. First is the forward bias and second is the reverse bias. Thus, a 2 PN junction device has four types of bias. Okay. Next is the position of the terminals and symbol of BJT. Okay. Look at this diagram. In this diagram, base is located at the middle and more thin from the level of collector and emitter. Okay, the emitter and collector terminals are made of the same type of semiconductor material, while the base of the other type of material. Okay, next is the transistor current. Okay, let's see, this is the diagram. The arrow in this diagram, the arrow is always drawn on the emitter. Okay, the arrow always point towards the n type. The arrow indicates the direction of the emitter current. Okay, means PNP. If we get PNP transistor, the arrow or current is flows from emitter to base, and in NPN type current is flows from base to emitter. Okay, next in this diagram, IC is the collector current, IB is the base current, and IE is the emitter current. Okay, next is the, let's see, this is a diagram of PNP transistor and NPN transistor. By imagining the analogy of diode, transistor can be constructed like two diodes that connected together. Okay, it can be concluded that the work of transistor is based on work of diode. Okay, next is the transistor operation. Let's see, this is the diagram of forward bias junction of a PNP junction and reverse bias of junction of a PNP transistor. Okay, the basic operation will be described using the PNP transistor. The operation of the PNP transistor is exactly the same if the roles played by the electron and holes are interchanged. Okay, one PN junction of a transistor is reverse bias, whereas the other is forward bias. Okay, next is the, both biasing potentials have been applied to a PNP transistor and resulting majority and minority carriers flows indicated. Majority carriers like holes, okay, positive, will diffuse across the forward bias PN junction into the n-type material. A very small number of carriers, okay, will through n-type material to the base terminal. Resulting IB means base current is typically in order to microamperes. The large number of majority carriers will diffuse across the reverse bias junction into the p-type material connected to the collector terminal. Okay, majority carriers can cross the reverse bias junction because the injected majority carrier will appear as minority carriers in the n-type material. By applying KCL to the transistor, IE is equal to IC plus IB, means emitter current is always equal to collector current plus base current. Okay, the comprises of two components, the majority and minority carriers. IC is equal to IC majority plus ICO minority. ICO minus IC current with the emitter terminal open and is called as leakage current. Okay, thank you for watching this video.